Well, it's that time of the year. The old rig's been mothballed for a couple of years now, and it's time that we drill a well. We'll be videoing all the progress on the start to finish of the next well we drill. Stay tuned for our future videos. I know I get a lot of questions, people asking us about, the swivel on the rig, how it works, any problems. But we're going to try to answer a lot of those questions when we drill this next well, and we'll get some really nice videos out there. So stay tuned for our future videos on water well drilling.